Maaga-aga ngayon tayo guys ha. 5:35. 5:33 lang pala. 5:33 lang pala. Ibig sabihin alas 5 kanina. Ay alas 4 nga pala yung ko kasi alarm. So magko-commute lang tayo. Kasi nga akala ko yung oras kanina. 5 na pala. Hay. Yan lang. Yan. Nasa likod daw kayo, nanay. Sa likod daw po kayo. Okay. Pabili lang ako. Bibilangan na. Ano yan? Estudyante. Morning po.
First day of the week and first day of duty. First, I went to work very early in the morning to assist and establish pads near schools on the start of classes to ensure safety of students, teachers, and parents. Second, to assist someone who posted us in SOCMED to the proper agency she is complaining. Third, to give assistance to take into custody a mentally ill woman, then brought her to the proper agency. As I returned from that assistance, I also answer memos, but there's no internet, and I was informed that my CPU is burnt. Stressful but a fulfilling day.